Today, I'll show you how to embed cal.com into your Squarespace website. If you've been looking to seamlessly integrate your cal.com scheduling into Squarespace, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step, making sure it's easy to follow. First, let's begin by logging into your cal.com dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the specific event that you're planning to share on your Squarespace site. It's important to choose the right event, as this will be what your visitors see and interact with. So make sure it's set up just the way you want it. Now look for the three dots next to the event you've chosen. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, you'll see the option to embed. Go ahead and select that. This will generate an HTML snippet specifically for this event. This snippet is essentially a small piece of code that you will need to embed on your website to allow your visitors to see and interact with your cal.com event. With our snippet ready, let's head over to Squarespace. If you're not already logged in, do so now. Once you're in your Squarespace editor, identify the page where you want your cal.com event to appear. Now, you'll need to add a new block to this page. This is done by clicking on the Add Block option. When the block menu appears, scroll down and select the code block. This is the type of block that allows you to add custom HTML, which is exactly what we need for our cal.com snippet. After you've added the code block, you'll notice some default text inside it that says Hello World. This is just placeholder text, and we need to get rid of it to make room for our cal.com code. Simply click inside the block and delete this text. Once the block is empty, paste your cal.com code snippet into the block. This snippet will integrate your cal.com event into your Squarespace page, allowing visitors to see it and interact with it as if it were a native part of your site. After pasting the code, take a moment to preview your page. It's always a good idea to double check that everything looks and functions as expected. If you notice any issues, make sure that the code was pasted correctly and that it matches the snippet generated by cal.com. If everything looks good, go ahead and save or publish your changes. And there you have it, a fully embedded cal.com event on your Squarespace website. This integration not only enhances your site's functionality, but also provides your visitors with a seamless scheduling experience. Remember, embedding your cal.com events is a fantastic way to streamline appointment bookings directly from your website. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth and professional-looking integration that works well for both you and your site visitors. Keep experimenting with your Squarespace layout to see how you can further enhance your site's usability and aesthetic appeal. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy embedding!